Well, India has slammed Pakistan's nuclear threats, and MEA has now responded to Asim Munir's nuclear threats, and it has also criticized Pakistan's reckless, hateful comments against India. My colleague Vishnu Shom joins us with more details on this. Vishnu, help us understand a little bit about how the MEA has responded to Pakistan's nuclear threats.
Well, as you know, the Pakistani general, their so-called Field Marshal Asim Munir, has been in the United States recently, his second visit to the country. And on that, on American soil, he started nuclear saber rattling and saying that, if India was to build a dam, which prevented the flow of water into Pakistan, then, they would consider using nuclear weapons and take half the world down with them. Now, these were bizarre statements which were made, to which the External Affairs Ministry has now said, we've seen reports regarding a continuing pattern of reckless warmongering and hateful comments from Pakistan. It's a well-known modus operandi of the Pakistani leadership to whip up anti-India rhetoric time and again to hide their own failures. Pakistan would be well advised to temper its rhetoric, as any misadventure will have painful consequences, as was demonstrated recently. So India sort of fighting fire, in a sense, with fire, making it clear to Pakistan that, cut down on the rhetoric and be realistic about what you're saying.
With us as the deadline for tariffs, US's tariffs gets closer, India-US relationship has weathered many challenges. This is what MEA has said today. MEA has also said that the ties will move forward. It's optimistic. MEA has also said that India-US focused on substantive agenda. Let's listen in to what the MEA spokesperson said today.
जो हिंदी के यहाँ पर श्रोतागण हैं, उनके लिए मैं अंग्रेजी में जो हमने वक्तव्य दिया उसको मैं हिंदी में रूपांतर कर देता हूँ। हमने भारत के खिलाफ पाकिस्तानी नेतृत्व के लापरवाह, युद्ध भड़काने वाले और नफरत भरे बयानों के निरंतर सिलसिले पर रिपोर्टें देखी हैं। अपनी नाकामियों को छुपाने के लिए बार बार भारत विरोधी बयानबाजी को हवा देना पाकिस्तानी नेतृत्व का जाना माना तरीका है, जिससे आप भली भांति अवगत हैं। पाकिस्तान को सलाह देते हैं कि वह अपनी बयानबाजी में संयम रखे, क्योंकि जैसा कि अभी हाल ही में हमने देखा था और आप लोगों ने भी देखा था, किसी भी प्रकार के दुस्साहस का परिणाम दर्दनाक होगा।